Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the NotebookLM for literature review and how to use the NotebookLM for research work. Okay, so yeah, writing a literature review can be one of the most time-consuming parts of any research project, and you may have dozens of journal articles, conference papers, and reports to read, summarize, and compare before you even begin writing. And yeah, fortunately, NotebookLM can make this process much easier. Okay, so we can identify research gaps, summarize academic articles, and generate outlines for literature review. So whether you're an undergraduate student or graduate student or researcher, this guide will help you work more efficiently. So first, the NotebookLM is a Google's AI-powered research assistant. Unlike the traditional AI chatbots that rely on general knowledge, the NotebookLM is designed to work primarily with the sources you upload. So this includes journal articles, PDFs, Google Documents, lecture notes, reports, and research papers. This makes it especially useful for academic research because its answers are based on your own collection of sources rather than information from across the web. Think of the NotebookLM as a research assistant that reads your documents and helps you analyze them. Okay, now for step number one is creating a research notebook. Okay, so let me just show you how I can go to their website. So just use your web browser and then search for NotebookLM, and you would be directed to this result. So just tap on the first result and then tap on the Try NotebookLM. So right here, you just have to make sure that you have logged in to your Google account, okay, or your email address. And then after that, we're just going to create a new notebook. And then we are going to give this notebook a name. So for example, we are going to name this one as Climate Change Studies. All right. And then each notebook acts as a dedicated workspace for one research project. So keeping separate notebooks for different topics makes it much easier to stay organized. Okay, so just simply tap on the add sources right here. We are going to upload our research sources. So NotebookLM allows you to upload sources such as journal articles in PDF format, conference papers, Google Documents, and research reports, literature review drafts, class readings, notes from previous studies. So instead of keeping dozens of files scattered across the folder, you can organize them in one notebook. So the more relevant and high quality your sources are, the more useful NotebookLM becomes. Okay, so yeah, you just have to upload your files right here. So for example, I am just going to search from the web, climate change studies. All right. So let me just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the result at the left side of your screen. And one of the biggest challenges in research is reading lengthy academic papers. Now, instead of spending hours reviewing each one, the NotebookLM can create concise summaries. Okay, so let me just import these sources. So for example, I am going to use this one. Okay, and then we can type right here summarize this journal or article. All right, or we can type out what are the main findings of this research paper. Okay, so let me just send that. Or we can also ask what was the research objective, what methodology was used, what were the key findings, what limitations did the authors mention. So these summaries helps you understand each paper more quickly before deciding whether it's relevant to your research. And always review the original paper alongside the summary to ensure that you capture the important details accurately. Okay? And a strong literature review does not just summarize individual papers, it compares them. And once you've uploaded several articles, you can ask Notebook LM questions like compare these findings, okay, um compare the findings of these studies. Okay, or you can type out what similarities exist across these papers and how the research methodologies differ, which conclusions agree with one another. So the Notebook LM can really identify patterns across multiple sources, making it easier to organize your literature review into themes instead of discussing each paper separately. So this thematic approach often result is a stronger and more coherent review. Now, we can also identify the research gaps. And one of the most valuable parts of any literature review is identifying what's still unknown. So the Notebook LM can really help by analyzing your collection of sources. So you might ask, what research gaps are mentioned in these studies? Okay. All right. Or which topics needs for investigation, what limitations appear across multiple papers. So while the AI can highlight recurring gaps and limitations, it is still your responsibility as a researcher to evaluate whether those gaps are significant and relevant to your research questions. Okay, so after that, you can draft your literature review. After reviewing your sources, the Notebook LM can help you organize your writing. So for example, okay, let's just wait for the result. We can tap it right here, create an outline for my literature review, or group these studies into major research themes. And we can also ask the Notebook LM to generate topic headings, section summaries, transitions between themes, or a comparison table of key studies. And remember, use these drafts as a starting point. Your final literature review should reflect your own critical analysis and writing style rather than copying AI generated text directly. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, and then we can also prepare our research discussion. So the Notebook LM also useful when preparing for thesis defenses, presentations, or meetings with your advisor. So we can ask, what are the strongest findings across my sources? What questions might my advisor ask about this literature? Okay, so just a quick tips: upload peer-reviewed and credible sources whenever possible. Ask specific questions instead of broad prompts. Compare AI-generated summaries with the original papers for accuracy, and use the Notebook LM to organize and analyze information, but write your own interpretation and conclusions. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.